Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook delicious, aromatic, flavorful, nutritious, budget-friendly and healthy fresh vegetable rice. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are oil quarter cup, rice 500 grams, carrot 200 to 250 grams, green sweet peas 200 to 250 grams, potato 200 to 250 grams, onion, green chilies, water, whole spices and powdered spices. Heat up quarter cup oil. Add half cup sliced onion and fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add whole spices. Black cardamom 2 to 3, cinnamon stick 2, cumin seeds half teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, black peppercorns 10 to 12. Fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. As onion becomes golden brown, add quarter cup water. Add powdered spices and whole green chili. Ginger powder quarter teaspoon. Garlic powder quarter teaspoon. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon. Turmeric powder quarter teaspoon. Mix well. Cover with lid for 2 minutes on low flame for brownish color of rice. Add 1 sliced green chili and 250 grams chopped tomatoes. Fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add vegetables. Fry for 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 liter lukewarm water. As water comes to boil, add rice. 500 grams Pakistani long-grained basmati rice soaked in water for half an hour. Mix well. Let it cook on a high flame for 2 minutes, then set flame on medium to low and cover with lid. Stir off and on. As water bubbles appear on surface and water is about to dry, add whole green chilies. At this stage, set flame to dead low and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes more while covering with lid. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame. Don't remove lid at once. Let it rest for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove lid slowly. Fresh vegetable rice is ready. Garnish the way you like. Serve it hot. delicious, aromatic, healthy, nutritious, economical, and flavorful fresh vegetable rice is ready. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.